I'm David Simonson. I'm a marriage and family expert in the Seattle, Washington area. And I work a lot of times with teens and families. And a big complaint that I hear is, my teen doesn't bring their homework home. What am I going to do about this? And the teen will say something like, oh, I forgot, or I didn't have homework. And then the parent goes online and sees, yes, they're missing assignments. The kid did have homework. So there's a couple ways you can get your teen to bring their homework home. One way is to give them a reward for when they do bring it home. Now, that reward is going to be based on what you as the parent can maybe afford, or what you as the parent find valuable and what the teen finds valuable. Rewards are going to be much better than punishment. So if you can give some type of reward if you're having this problem with homework being brought home, that would be great. Another way to encourage homework being brought home is to be in contact with the teacher of your child. If you can start a good relationship with the teacher so that you know what's needing to be brought home, or the teacher can call you or text you or email you and say, hey, I just sent this home with Johnny, or Johnny needs to do this when he gets home. That's going to be another important way for you to stay involved in your child's life, but it's also going to be a way for your child to not be able to think they can get away with not bringing their homework home. I'm David Simonson with Help for Life.